If you're talking about state creation, you're saying that we are Igbo. Don't say we are Igbo. That is the point I'm trying to make to you. Don't tell me I'm an Igbo. This statement right there with you that we are Igbo.
Okay, sir.
Me to them.
Where are you from, sir? Where are you from?
Tell him to come on this thing.
Tell me where you are from again now. Why you this vex? We are not fighting now. We are not fighting. What is your full name?
I am an Agbor man.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Agbor Felix.
People.
Why are you deceiving yourself?
What is the meaning of What is the meaning of Agbor in Benin?
I don't know. I have a Benin name. My Benin name is Oseye.
Osenye.
Yeah.
Mr. Agbor, do you agree that Agbor is an Igbo name?
No, sir. No name.
Okay, no problem. Thank you very much. I believe we understand ourselves now. Thank you.
It's an Agbor name, not an Igbo name.
Okay, thank you very much. God bless you, sir. Thank you.
Identity crisis is a global issue. It's not something that is simple that we should maybe make jokes of. There are people in China who don't know where they are from.
Okay, let's take this call. Hello.